What is global beauty?
Global beauty, to me, is just as good as saying real beauty. It's about the real woman. It's not about that 100% symmetrical supermodel that we deal with, the woman who has no flaws. I'm talking about real women, real people with flaws. It's women from fair, medium, dark skin, women with blemishes, women with scars. It's the full gamut of what is global beauty, and really understanding it's much harder to work with flaws than with a perfect face, and learning that and knowing that and experiencing it in the full range of color is what global beauty is to me.
All culture has their own beauty, and so far henna is not that popular. People don't know where to get the education, like so many things, basic design, how to make a cone, application. There's so many things. So I think global beauty is very important to me.
You walk into a set, any color, you're able to deliver and bring out their features is important. And you have to be able to these days, because every city you're going to work, you're going to come across a lot of different ethnicities of models and talents.
Being a global artist these days is so important. The world is comprised of many different skin tones, textures, and people of all ethnic makeups. And you need to be able to create different looks on all people.
I think global beauty is important to every artist because it's gonna keep you working. You never know who's gonna sit in your chair, so you have to be ready to work on the deepest and darkest skin, you have to be ready to work on the lightest skin, and everything in between. No matter what that eye shape is, you should not be afraid. And being a global artist means you are confident and secure to do anything that comes your way.